Hi there again. This was a question requested a while back asking about the empirical formula of sulfur and oxygen if we have 57.19% of the mass for sulfur. So this may be a little different from the way we're usually asked this question when we're actually given some sort of mass and asked to figure out either the empirical or molecular formula. But keep in mind, we still want a ratio. So let's take it down step by step. We know that the molar mass of sulfur is 32 grams per mole, and for oxygen is 16 grams per mole. We usually think of oxygen as O2, but be careful here, we don't want to double this value. We want to keep it as it is. So going from there, remember, we always just look at it as given divided by the gram formula mass. So given, I'm just going to round 57.19 to 57 and divide that by our usual mass for sulfur. Again, rounded to 32. Just look at your periodic table for this. Doing the same for oxygen. If we have 57 for sulfur, out of 100, for simplicity's sake, we'll have 43 for oxygen. Dividing that by 16, again, looking at your periodic table. I rounded these up again. You don't have to be too accurate to get the answer. 2 decimal places is fine. 1.78 for sulfur and 2.69 for oxygen. The ratio then of sulfur to oxygen, you can do this any way you want. I just decided to do it this way. Just be consistent. 1.78 to 2.69. Dividing these up, you'll have about 0.66, and if you're familiar with fractions, you'll know that this is around 2/3. So it's a 2 to 3 ratio, so we know that it has to be 2 parts sulfur to 3 parts oxygen. Putting this into moles will give us S2O3 for our empirical formula. Thanks for watching.